Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about Woven.com. Woven is an all-in-one calendar that is perfect for organizing your different tasks and events. In my opinion, this is great for college students. In fact, I use it myself. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Woven.com. When you get to the website, it will have you do three things. First, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Next, it will ask you to allow Woven to gain access to certain things such as your contacts and your email. And third, it'll give you a quick tutorial so that you know how to create events. So this is the basic setup of the website. As you can see, it goes Monday through Sunday and breaks it down hour by hour. This is great because you can punch in, say you have an assignment due at 1 p.m. on Monday, October 7th. You just press the square next to 1 p.m., title the assignment, then you choose 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Then you can set up a reminder. Woven actually goes straight to your phone. If you use the same email that you set your phone up with, you'll get the reminders straight on your phone. You can also have the event repeat weekly or daily. So say you want it to repeat daily until January 8th, you can do that. Or if you want it to repeat weekly, every single Monday. They're also color-coded, so you can do red for very urgent things, yellow for things that aren't that important. You can add a description with the specific instructions that go along with the assignment. There are all sorts of things. You can also add a location with a specific address. So there are lots of things that go into creating these assignments. Like I said, I have this myself on my computer because you can actually download the app onto Mac or Android devices. Another great thing about this app is that it has the day view and the month view. So if you don't feel like adding events week by week, you can do it month by month. As you can see, I have my classes put in. My Education 336, Math, Music, Education 204, and TFP. This is great for college because I know when I need to be where. I can put in when my assignments are due. It's very, very useful.